Luton in bloom, farmers market being set up.
Rubbish, try and generally tidy up. It's been wonderful, and we look forward to the next occasion. Thank you.
I just want to say a massive thank you to
Oh, it's compost.
yeah, I'm making wildflower seed balls. Yeah. So they mix all these things together, and then they dry out. They take them and then they can plant them.
Or chuck them.
Well, that's it. Just throw them in.
Not chuck at each other.
But it's more, I think it's more the process of them getting a little bit. Yeah. You know, they like it.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
I've heard of it before, but I've never actually seen it. I saw that caught my attention. I was like,
Oh no,
then when I saw that and that, I thought, why not?
Yeah, it also looks a bit like they're making. I always say it's like they could be like making a cake or something. It looks like they're making like chocolate cake, but they're not. Don't do that.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's cute.
Awesome. Have a good day.
How are you? Where are you from? Are you international student?
Oh yeah. You're right. Okay.
Being great on microphone. Where do you want us to leave you?
You're right. Lovely.
Would you like this for £1?
I'd love to go 2 minutes. I just came back from doing 4 trays of plants in potting. And I'm a bit late. So, yeah, I want to see the stage and anyway, thank you. It's beautiful. It's really good. You too.
This is a community orchard that we're in at the moment. We've got fig trees and olive trees that have already been planted. We've taken out some trees last week that were diseased, so that we'd have to make room for the 2 new apple trees that we've planted behind us here.
What we do, particularly White Road, is there's some planters that they converted into vegetable patches and tidied up that area, de-weeded, making
So I got told they had the stage there and there was presentation for allotments, community gardens, private gardens and so on. There were 6 awards and they got from £300 to £500 each. Brilliant. So I missed that. That was earlier on. Yeah, it's really nice.